This 3.3 foot long cable has been perfect for connecting my cell phone to my iPad, my laptop, and my vehicle. It simply has the standard USB-C and the auxiliary. Here's an iPhone 15. Goes in great, connects strong and well. I have no issues or no concern about it falling out in the car. And this has connected well to my iPad as well as my laptop. Love that this fiber is durable. It's actually been stretch tested and been tested over 10,000 times, so you can count on it not wearing over time. It's kind of a rope feel if you feel it up close, so I feel like it's gonna last and be durable, which is important when you're pulling cords in and out of things. It also doesn't have that weird background whistling, fuzzing, or buzzing noise in our car because it does have noise reducing chips. It does work with all of my Apple devices, whether it be my phone, my iPad, or my MacBook, as well as the receiver in our family room. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. Definitely recommend checking it out.